Right now, right in front of your eyes, I'm going to launch Pumped and Rug, a memecoin. If you want to stop being the victim and finally understand the developer's playbook, watch to the end. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Today, I'm performing a real-time rug pull tutorial from the developer's perspective. I'll break down the exact strategy, from token structure to the deployment phase. You're about to see the technical decisions that happen before the launch to ensure a successful exit. This is a complete rug pull explain breakdown. We're leaving nothing behind the scenes. The first thing to do is find a meme coin that's already successful and copy it. There's no point in overthinking that design when you can use what's already worked for others. Right now, I'm scrolling through DEX Screener looking for the meme coin we need. Let's pick this one, UNT. It has a great chart and volume. That's exactly what we're looking for. I'll be using a special tool to create meme coins. With its help, our coin will hit the listing charts on Vex Screener, Axiom, Photon, and other trading platforms. To make it easier for you to find, I've left a link to the tool in the description. You can go to the site and create a meme coin along with me. It'll be much clearer and easier that way. Alright, let's move on to creating the token. Click Create Token. This site has many features that can increase interest and trust in your meme coin. Always add social links and tags. Turn on the rest depending on your budget. Keep these 3 points enabled. This will block the minting of new tokens, freeze coins in holders' wallets, and prevent changes to the token's metadata. This is the standard for successful coins. Okay, let's watch the coin. The meme coin has been successfully created, and we can see its address. Be sure to copy it. We'll need it in many places. Let's check the coin on Solsken. Yeah, everything looks great. Now we need to create a liquidity pool for our coin so that the meme coin becomes tradable and appears on all trading services. Click Create and select Standard AMM Pool. We need to change the quote token to the one we created. Paste the address and select our meme coin. Good. Now we need to add liquidity. I've launched tokens many times, and liquidity over 5 Sol is the best a token can have. You can add even 1 Sol to liquidity. Many more people will notice your token and want to buy it if the liquidity is above 10 or 20 Sol. You are creating the liquidity pool and are the sole owner who can withdraw money from it. Therefore, if you put Sol into the liquidity pool, you can withdraw it at any moment. The main thing is to pick the best moment when the coin is at its peak. Personally, I'll use an average amount and add 5 Sol. For our own tokens, we need to select 1 billion, so just collect max. Keep the fee at 0.25%, and let's create this pool. In this transaction, we are putting our tokens along with Solana into the Radium pool, receiving liquidity coins. We've created the pool, and now anyone can buy our meme coin. Switch over to DEX Screener and change the text in the address bar that comes after Solana to our token address. The token loads, and we see the first candle on our coin's chart. Sniper bots have already started buying our token. Almost everything is ready. Now we just have to wait for large purchases. I'll put the video on time lapse so you can see how the chart moves. Excellent result. The market cap has reached 5,000. There were quite a few large buyers. Our token was actively traded for almost 20 minutes. You can start showing your coin on Twitter or pay for DEX Screener ads. This will increase the number of buyers. Since I created this coin just as an example, I don't want to develop it further, so let's take the final step. To do this, go back to Radium and click the Portfolio button. Here, we'll see the pool we created earlier. Click the minus sign on the right side and select 100%. You can see the profit here, but this isn't the final number we'll get, as it also accounts for the price of the meme coin, which will essentially burn. To see the net profit, let's remove the liquidity. Our net profit was 13 Solana, since I put 5 into the pool and took them back. Not a bad result. I'm sure you'll be able to repeat it and maybe even exceed it. Subscribe to the channel to see more useful guides. All the necessary links are in the description. Bye, everyone.